Apple recently unveiled iOS 14 at WWDC 2020, and here's how you can install it on your iPhone without registering for the developer's program. To install iOS 14 on your iPhone, you have to visit the Beta Profiles website. It is worth noting that this website only works on the Safari web browser. Once you are on the website, simply download the iOS 14 beta configuration profile. Next up, launch the Settings application to install this profile. Lastly, open the software update section and download the beta version of iOS 14. Depending on your internet speed, iOS 14 will soon be installed on your iPhone.
A few moments later.
You can now access all of the new features in iOS 14 like App Library and redesigned widgets, and even add these widgets to your home screen. Now, these are the few things that you should keep in mind before installing this update on your smartphone. Firstly, create a backup of your data as it might get lost since it's a beta update. Next up, ensure that your smartphone has more than 70% battery before installing this update. And lastly, as you might know, this is a beta update and it contains bugs. Consequently, I advise you to not install this update on your primary smartphone. The iOS 14 beta update can be installed on iPhone 6s and every other iPhone launched after it. If this video helped you in some way, then consider subscribing to Techworm.